In the annals of ancient times, when humanity was yet in its infancy, a divine voice echoed across the heavens and reached the ears of one solitary man. This man, humble yet virtuous, went by the name of Noah. Steadfast in spirit, he lived in an age drowned in chaos and a world awash with wickedness, where mankind had turned its back on the sacred ways. And so, it came to pass that the Almighty Creator, saddened by the corruption filling the earth, resolved to cleanse it with a great deluge. It would be a purging of all that was defiled, yet within his infinite mercy, he chose to preserve life, to seed a new beginning from the old. For this task, he selected Noah, the most righteous in his generation, to be the harbinger of hope. The task was beyond monumental, to construct a massive ark, a vessel to carry Noah's family and all the creatures of the earth, each according to its kind, 2 by 2. Guided by divine instructions, Noah began to toil day by day, inch by inch, towards this divine pursuit. His hands were worn by labor, yet his heart was filled with relentless hope and conviction. As he built, the taunts of his fellow men, who could not conceive of a cataclysm to come, rained upon him. They laughed at the spectacle of this colossal craft rising from barren ground. Undeterred, Noah continued, driven by faith as unyielding as the very wood he was shaping. Time passed, and the edifice of the ark finally stood complete, a testament to faith and endurance. Thunderclouds began to gather, the skies darkening as foretold by the prophetic visions whispered by divine winds. Rain fell, a gentle trickle that soon turned into torrents, flooding the lands beneath. Animals, as if summoned by ancestral instincts, came from the wilderness and the wide world beyond, filing into the ark in harmonious procession. The beasts of field, the birds of sky, and every creeping thing beneath the sun found refuge within its wooden hull. As the waters rose, an ocean formed where lands had once spread wide. The mighty ark lifted from its earthly cradle, borne on the tides, embarking on a journey upon the face of a world cleansed anew. Over the waters Noah and his flotilla sailed, as days turned to nights and nights again into days, until the rain ceased and peace returned to the heavens. The ark came to rest upon the slopes of Mount Ararat, cradled in the safety of new beginnings. Upon disembarking, Noah, accompanied by grateful creatures and family, offered thanks and sacrifices. A rainbow arched across the sky, a divine promise painted by the Creator himself, a covenant that never again would a flood destroy the world. Thus, through the devotion of one man, life was reborn, civilizations would rise again, and humanity was given yet another chance to walk a path of righteousness. Noah's ark remains a symbol of unwavering faith and divine salvation, echoed through the ages in word, stone, and prayer.